Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious traditional Asian dessert, butter mochi. For this delicious recipe, you will need sweet rice flour, sugar, baking powder, kosher salt, coconut milk, eggs, unsalted butter melted, and vanilla extract. You will also need a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Begin by combining the rice flour with sugar, baking powder, and kosher salt. Mix together thoroughly. In a separate bowl, combine eggs, coconut milk, unsalted butter melted, and vanilla extract. Mix these together. Now combine the wet and dry mixtures and mix thoroughly. Bake the butter mochi at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And here you have a traditional Asian dessert, delicious butter mochi. This is so good, you gotta try it. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.